The quest to unfold an exciting African story begins.
Ghana, we now have freedom.
Weezy Empire, in collaboration with I Do Events and proudly supported by Medima for Herbal Hospital, takes the big screens with a country called Ghana. This movie features some of Africa's biggest names. Ramsey Noah.
This is where you hail me.
Kwadwo Nkansah.
How to what?
I be black and white.
Charles Awurum.
Mente, what are you maintaining?
Victor Osiago.
This thing you see here is river and the mommy water. They inside.
Janix Breffrey Yankson. And a collection of many other stars. A country called Ghana is premiering at the National Theatre on the 17th of May, Accra. It continues at the KNUST Auditorium, Kumasi on the 25th of May. And finally at the Elizabeth Hotel in Sunyani on the 1st of June. Red carpet starts at 6 p.m. and we press play at 8 p.m. Tickets are selling for 200 Ghana cedis regular and 500 Ghana cedis VIP. Get your advance tickets by dialing *713*33*33# or visit eagletickets.com. A country called Ghana.
This is Africa, a country called Ghana.
Directed by Frank Fifi Garben, produced by Kwadwo Nkansah.
Me and to tell your mama asaura, there be mine, your wadi oh yeah.